This is the candy and supplies for the event tonight at Lincoln Elementary School. We'll be out there with a couple of the birds. Kalani and Tallulah will be there with us, and we'll be handing out candy with everybody. So we're hoping it's going to be a good turnout. Hope to see everybody there.
Go! Alright, so all the other ones are filled, right, Mom?
Yeah, all
Okay,
the other
cool.
ones have batteries. I already did those ones earlier. All you need to do is stop messing up those ones.
It's just literally, damn it, Gina! No, I'm joking, all the time. Oh, it's right here. That's right.
All right, got it.
Peekaboo! I know, like peekaboo! Where'd Gina go? Gosh, oh my gosh. Literally, just don't hire me.
I didn't want to.
Just voice.
I never wanted to.
I never wanted to. I just ruined everything. Sorry, Mom. Gotta put those in a bag. Thinking they're gonna get lost. Peekaboo, I see you.
Peekaboo.
Oh my God.
Peekaboo.
That bird is so cute.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. So this is the Escalade. This is me trying to prepare for a trunk or treat tonight for all the kiddos. I'm here doing it by myself. All the other crew, they're getting off work and then they'll be there. I'm having some fun doing this. Yeah. We'll see how it turns out. I'll add a lot of decorations and a lot of lights, and I'll show you the end result. Okay, see you later. Okay, so this is the back so far. It looks a lot better. We were thinking about using tacks, but that was not going to work. So
Let's use tacks.
Yeah, let's use tacks.
I think so.
Yeah, good idea. So we decided to use duct tape. I hope it comes off because Louis is going to be pretty upset, and I'm really, really good at getting him bothered with me. But good news, Gina. I'm taking her down with me because right there.
I know. I'm a punk. I'm a fool.
Gina's doing it too.
I'm only the one. I'm the only one she can get to second.
Yeah, so it looks like something like a tent, something kids would want to play in. So we'll see how it looks later. Okay, things are kind of coming along. We started doing the tombstones. Wind came and they fell, so we had to get creative to hold them down. So, all right, we'll see.
No, you guys, we should actually get donkeys. Because they're actually really good protectors for outside. Like, they'll attack coyotes and stuff.
Coyotes?
Yeah.
Pray on a donkey now.
Yeah.
Yes, you gotta get her a donkey DeVito, Mom.
All right, Donkey DeVito.
Yeah.
Here at the school, everybody's set up, just about ready to get started. A lot of the kiddos are over there with the birds, having a good time. I will grab Miss Kalani.
Come on, Miss Londra.
She's Kalani.
Hi!
Hi!
Hello.
Hello.
Is she gonna talk? What?
So this one's older than all you guys. This one's actually 27 years old. This
There you go.
What is she doing? Why did he raise up his feathers?
Oh, they're just kind of like excited with the cockatoos. Yeah, they'll start raising up their little crest when they get excited. Yeah.
They whisper to you.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Behind the head.
Right here.
There you go.
My neighbor.
What is he doing?
I just pretend like he is because he's so cute.
You guys want to try? You? Not you? Okay. You want to try?
I'm young, but
That's the first time you ever got to hold a bird?
yeah, I'm gonna hold the other one.
They're cool, huh?
Yeah.
Not that heavy.
Maybe we can try later.
I. Oh, again?
Good. Do you want to try?
Wait, real. Come this way.
Can you please tell us what your costume is?
Come out.
No, I agree.
Thank you.
Stop stealing candy, Louie.
What's doing it?